Is this thing on?
Lights, camera,
action. Wait.
We are about to show y'all how to make Rice Krispie treats. Not just Rice Krispie treats, but the best Rice Krispie treats. Right, Cody?
Right.
He says right.
Call it a midnight snack, Chase and Allen style. Marshmallows.
You need, these are from the...
Is that upside down? Marshmallow. Wait, now is it upside down?
So these are from the camping video if you watch that, which you should. And you also have to have Rice Krispie treats, because you can't have Rice Krispie treat. Wait, did I say Rice Krispie treats? Duh! You just need butter, marshmallows, and Rice Krispie treats. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. this is my Paula Deen stick that. Hold on. Hey y'all. Hey y'all, this is my. Is the camera focused? Okay. Hey y'all, this is my best Paula Deen stick that I use when I really need to get my butter stirred.
I love butter.
I thought it was called a spatula.
What do I call it?
A stick.
First thing you put in the pan. It's hot!
Why would you?
So, you got your bird. Your burger. Wow. Next are the marshmallows. And don't forget, you don't want. What was I gonna say? And don't forget, you don't want your Rice Krispies to stick to the pan, so you gotta spray it. That's why I'm friends with a lady named Pam. Okay, so first you get your butter to melt in the pan. Then you get your marshmallows to melt in the pan.
Then we add the Rice Krispies.
Stir like you're hungry. Test our cooking. This will determine if it is a 5-star or a 1-star.
Is this how you test it?
We think it's a 5-star. Once you finish, then you can put them in the, what's it called?
Pan.
The pan.
No. We are some big kids. I just want these to be done already.
After they're done, just take it away.
Well, we were gonna cut them up and put them on this nice little plate that we had already set out, but that's a little too much. So we're just gonna
cut out our pieces and eat them.
Or rip them with our hands. Cheers.
As we're sitting here eating, I'm gonna show you what's at our feet. Not crumbs. That's how you make Rice Krispies. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We got more videos coming for you. And don't forget to make more Rice Krispie treats for you in your life, because it doesn't matter how late it is. It's always Rice Krispie treat time.
Yep.